just had one chance to interact with you, and I've told you that I was not active much, but now I've started taking all the tasks positively. All the leaders are really helping me out to get it done, I would say, and I'm doing it. So by that, I'm just learning a lot, and I'm able to recognize that I'm different from normal brothers who are maybe not taking your classes and all. So what recently is happening is that I'm able to develop a lot of positive things in my baby. That's a share. But my point is, from past few week, I'm literally suffering a lot. I have a toddler of 1.5 years. She's not eating since 5 days, and that's hitting me a lot. Because of that, I'm not able to eat because she's not eating at all. I've
Age is 2.5.
1.5.
One. Don't worry. Are you breastfeeding her still?
I'm breastfeeding only in the night, only in the night while she's sleeping, na? Only in the night because I'm also working. So I'm not available throughout the day.
And the teething is done?
Teething is done almost, like very rarely a bit of teeth is still pending, but almost done.
Yeah, so I think there's no need for you to worry. Just keep trying, even if she eats a very little, and do not force. Usually, they will start to repel food if you force them.
I'm not forcing, that's the issue. But like, since 5 days she didn't eat anything, and that's really, I don't know, I'm just feeling too helpless. And in my work, I'm not able to consider it.
No, you make some crispy things. Kids usually
I've done
banana chips.
I've done everything, like normal food, crispy food, banana, like, fried potatoes, okay, then omelets, or then give you some makhanas, this and that, everything. Even I've changed, like, I don't give screen time at all. So for that sake, like yesterday, I tried, okay, let's see if she's eating with the, if I open the TV. I opened the TV, she just had 2 spoons. After that, she left that also. So she's not eating at all, and I don't know what is happening with her.
Don't worry, it happens with some kids, but she'll be okay. But if you force her to eat too much, she would start to resist because the brain would form neural pathways. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
keep offering, but you do not force. Try giving her shakes.
Not too much, ma'am. She's not taking at all anything like since past 5 days. And I guess I have told you last time, like, she used to eat if her hand is busy. So every day I used to develop one game. So now even if I'm developing one game, or if I'm giving her spoon and having something that you, okay, keep on
But
shifting
just
and all.
go to a doctor once. Maybe it's a stomach infection or constipation or something. Is she passing stool?
Yeah, yeah. Like her habit is early in the morning. First thing is this. Even if in 10 minutes I'm not waking up, she will do there itself. But her
So
habit is.
before you stopped the daytime milk, was
Hmm.
she eating solids?
Yeah, yeah, full on. After 6 months, she started having solids.
So
It's just only these.
you can ask her. Don't force her. Just ask her what you want to eat.
She doesn't speak. That's it.
Nothing. She doesn't say a word.
Speak like she is a toddler kind of. So ma pa ga ga, like this. Like she doesn't speak kind
Okay.
of things.
So I would recommend that stop worrying because if you worry, you will attract more worry.
Mhm.
You instead start visualizing that your child is eating.
Let that ABCD formula I have put up in my mind.
No, but there's a lot of worry. You have to feel that the feelings that you would feel when she's eating. It's tough as a mother, I understand. But you want to say that, children have a lot of uh this thing, energy. And like I have a nephew, like my co-sister's son, didn't eat anything till he was 2.5.
Okay.
Like nothing. Stopped milk, everything. He would not eat at all. The only thing he wanted to eat was Mari biscuit, which we did not want to give.
Yeah.
That's the only thing he wanted to eat. But now he's eating everything.
Okay. Okay. So
So,
it's just.
sometimes in between they would have their phases, because, as humans, we have these cycles when our body does not need a lot of food. And children are able to identify that.
Mhm.
But we do not identify. Children also have this uh, sixth sense that, when they go to somebody's place, they would not eat. And if they go to somebody else's place, they might end up eating. Because,
Yeah, yeah, that's happened.
yeah, because of they can sense whether the food here will suit me. And also worm that mothers are suggesting if you want to get her checked for worms, because that also reduces appetite.
Yeah, that 6 months we are giving, and I've given her 3 months back only. So every 6 months that I have to give.
The deworming thing. the liquid.
I was attending one of your session like this mission call, and like usually me and my mother-in-law are at home during your mission call. So my mother-in-law was asking, you ask her if she is able to assist you, that how, what would you do so that your child should just eat, you know? And I was like, okay,
I would say that, you release your tension and you stop chasing her with food. She will definitely eat because food is a necessity.